This is my second video of class 5th General Science, chapter 1st, Growing Plants. In this video, we have studied about the dispersal of seeds and other ways of growing plants. But before that, we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. As you know that I have given homework in previous online class. First, draw and label the stages of germination. Second, give two examples for each of the following. First, monocot plant and second, dicot plants. Now see the stages of germination. Here, first you see first stage, seed is sown in the soil where it gets air, water and warmth. Second stage, in second stage the seed sprouts and a seedling appears after some time. First, root develop. Next, in root and shoot both are developed. The seedling develops root and shoot a shoot. And in last stage the baby plant grow and leaves appear. In this stage, leaves, stems, roots are developed in proper way. This is the stages of germination. You have draw this diagram in rough copy. Okay. Next, give two examples for each of the following. First, two examples of monocot plants are first wheat, second rice. Two examples of dicot plants are first gram and second pea. You have understand this example. One by one, what is a dispersal? What is a dispersal? The process of scattering seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. Dispersal is a very necessary for all plants. If all seeds fall down near the mother plants and start to germinate, they would not get enough water, air and proper space. So, dispersal is carried away by wind, water, male, man, animals, birds and explosion. Here one by one we discuss first by wind. Dispersed by wind. Some plant seeds are dispersed by wind. Example, cotton, madar, heritage, etc. Their seeds are very light and hairy. With the help of wind, they move from one place to another place. Now next, by water. Some plants grow near seashore, near the water bodies, and their seeds are spongy and they float in the water. Example, coconut, lotus. Their seeds dispersed by water from one place to another place. Now next, by man, animals or birds. Some, you know that we also, human beings also eat fruit and their seeds through here and there or different places, and that place the seeds germinate and grow new plants. So example, mango, guava. Their seeds dispersed by man, animals and birds. Next, by explosion. Some plant seeds are dispersed by explosion. Pea, bean, balsam. Their seeds are dispersed by explosion. You know that most of the plants grow from their seeds, but other ways also. Here we discuss other way of growing plants. Some plants grow from roots, some plants grow from stems, some plants grow from underground stem. Some plants grow from leaves and some plants grow from spores. For we discuss one by one here. First, from plants. Some plants grow from roots. Example, sweet potato and carrot. See the diagram of sweet potato. Suppose this is the sweet potato. And here it is the carrot. Their plants grow from the roots. Now next, stem. Some plants grow from the stems. Example, rose, money plant, sugar cane. Say the example of here sugar cane. Suppose this is a sugar cane, and supporting leaves, money plant, sugar cane and roots also they grow from stem. Now next, underground stem. Some stems are found in the underground in soil, and that stem is called underground stem. Example, you grow from the stem, underground stem, potato and ginger. Say the diagram of potato. Suppose this is a potato, and here birds eyes. With the help of birds, they grow from new plants. Potato, this is potato. Small birds are found. These small birds grow in new plant. They help in growing plants. Okay. From underground stem, example, potato and ginger. Now some plants grow from leaves. Example, Bryophyllum begonia. Say the diagram of Bryophyllum leaf. This is the Bryophyllum, and outer part of the leaf, in the outer part, you see small bird plants grow. These small plants convert into new plant, and here see, this is a Bryophyllum leaf. Okay, now last, from spores. Some plants grow from spores. Example, fungi and fern. See, this is suppose small pores. This is small spores. This is spores, and with the help of spores, they grow from new plants. Now all students, you have take one copy and page, write homework, read and revise, explain topics of lesson first, growing plants. Now very important information, very important notice for you. You have write name, class, section in comment box. When you watch the video, end of the video, in comment box you have write name, class and section for attendance. All students write. Thank you.